What's up, my beautiful ladies? Natasha here. So I have a photo shoot tomorrow and the company asked me to have my hair curly because it's like a 70s theme. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you girls what I do to take care of my hair extension. This is like mostly extensions. I have really challenging hair to deal with. So I'm going to show you my best tips and my hair products that I just like swear by to keep my hair looking and feeling healthy and strong and making these hair extensions last. So hopefully it'll help you. So I just finished washing my hair and it's like still half wet, super messy right now, but I'm going to show you how I curl it. So this hair is not all real. It's all, most of it is extensions, and I have 4 rows in right now and they're sewn in. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair and how I keep it like super soft. And I have really challenging hair. It's super frizzy and dry and oh. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how I curl it. So if you wanna see that, stay tuned. So before I start curling my hair, I'm just gonna show you girls what I do in the shower. My hair's still like, I just dried it. It's all messy right now. But anyway, in the shower once a week, I always use the Olaplex number 3. This is amazing for treated hair and girls with hair extensions. If you want your hair extensions to last a really long time and stay super soft, Olaplex is amazing. Like I haven't found anything better than this. I usually use natural products, but there's just nothing that compares to it. So once a week you want to do this before, so you're in the shower, you put this in your hair for about 20 minutes, let it sit and just treat your hair and then wash it out, shampoo and condition as normal. And then I use the Olaplex number 5 for conditioning. Okay, so after you've done that, then you want to use, I use a leave-in conditioner, and then I put in a heat protectant. So I'm using this shea butter, the Cantu Shea Butter Super Shine Hair Silk. Amazing, and it smells so yummy. So I put this in, and then I dry my hair, and then now I'm going to show you girls how I curl it. Okay, so I just parted my hair and put a hair clip in there. And then make sure your hair's super dry and have that heat protector in there. Now I'm not doing the big waves, I'm doing kind of like smaller curls. Doing a photo shoot and the company requested that I have curly hair tomorrow, so that's why we're doing like a 70s look. Now if you can tell with this type of curling iron, it's fatter on the bottom and then like thin on the top there, so I'll link that below. But it gives it like a really nice curl, so that's why I'm doing that this way. This curling iron goes up to 430 degrees too. So it's just like that. Now, if you wanted it tighter curls, you can just use a smaller piece. I'll show you. I've also used like the really tiny barrels, which is really nice too, but it just takes so long. So yeah, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, but I'm just helping the hairstylist out by doing my hair now. And then tomorrow she can do whatever she wants with it. So like a lot, there you go. See, it's a little bit smaller. So obviously the smaller the pieces you go, the tighter the curl. And then you can, I like this wand because you can kind of control how small your curls are. There we go. Okay, so I went through layer by layer, and what I did is I would just spray, sorry, I'm just putting my hair down, just using my Flexi spray. So this is what it looks like. Use lots of hairspray because I need it to last till tomorrow. And then you can just start running your fingers through, just like this. I'll show you girls at a different angle. Crazy. Yeah, so there you go. Another tip is to sleep on a silky pillow tonight if you need to keep it lasting till the next day. And then I just use hairspray, and then if your hair gets oily, I just use my dry shampoo on the roots, and then that makes it last pretty much the whole week. So hopefully that helps you girls with your hair extensions. Make sure you take good care of them. Yeah, it's fun. And with hair extensions, it'll last like the whole week. So there you go. Bye.